Hi friends, I'm Anna, and today I have a quick tip for another way you can use those paper scraps to make some beautiful pieces to add to your card projects. Let's take a look at it. For this tip, for what we're doing with card scraps, which I'm using narrow strips for this, we are going to cover an entire piece of cardstock with the scraps. So I'm just going to show you couple tips for how I do this with not a lot of mess. And then I want to share with you what I actually did with this. So you may be able to see, I first put tape all the way around the outside of the edge of my cardstock. You need adhesive over the entire piece for this. If you have any open spaces, it may cause problems here in a couple of minutes. So I have tape right along the edge because I don't want the mess of getting glue off the side of my paper. Nobody wants that, okay? So I put tape around the edge and then I'm filling in the center with my glue. Now, if you use this glue like I do you know that it has a fat end? Do you know that? Okay, I know it took me like years to figure out there's any other, what is that for? I don't even know. Anyway, so you can use this end to put that glue down, smear it out some, make it more even, and then you're just going to lay down strips one at a time. You want to do this carefully so that you don't really want them to overlap because that would create a little loose spot that could end up causing problems here in a minute. You'll see why. So just lay them right next to each other. I like to align the one end, the left end first, get that right where it needs to be, and then I can kind of move this back and forth before I lay it down and get it right in the spot where I want it. So as I did this, I put glue on a certain amount of it, and then once I ran out of my glued area, add some more glue, keep covering until we get this whole piece covered. After it is covered, you want to let it dry for a few minutes until that glue is fully dry. And then, what did I do with it, friends? I laid some dies on top. I picked some assorted dies out of my collection, and I ran this through and I cut a whole sheet worth. This was 5.5 by about 8, a whole piece worth of dies with one crank through my machine. Now, I had some pretty detailed dies, and because it was full, I did have to crank it through a couple of times. But do you want to see the cards I created with these? I love this technique. I think this is so fun. So that is not one big piece of designer paper that you might think if you weren't really, if you receive this card and you're not thinking about it, you see, because you know, all those little strips. So I was able to make this beautiful piece with little scraps of paper. So here is the first one that I created. Here is the second one. I thought these big letter dies would be really fun to cut some of these out. And then all the stamps that I used were from this set. That I love this set. And I didn't think I was going to find a greeting to put on my Hey card. And then I had the little I'm here for you. I'm like, okay, that's perfect. We have to use that. Here is the next one with this beautiful delicate leaf and the sympathy greeting. And last but not least, now I pulled these dies from different sets. I always put the links to the products I use in the video description below. So if you're interested in the names of the die sets or any of the other products I've used, you can check it out down there. I love that this idea lets us take things that we might otherwise throw away and not have a use for and make some stunning cards with it. I hope you'll be back again next time as I'm here helping you to hand make with love.